Little boy, how we looking?
Ganja God, oh yeah, babe. Big connection. Jamaica and Dominica.
Greetings, and welcome back to the Ganja God Show. I am your host, DabQween, the Ganja God, and I want to thank you for tuning in with us as we read from Aunty Roachy Seh by the Honorable DR.LOUISE Bennett Coverley. Please, everybody, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you lick off the bell beside it so that way you can get the notification for the next film. Alright? So, people, as always, knowledge is power. Love is the key. So, make we continue and see what Aunty Roachy have to say in chapter 3. Alright, Jamaican philosophy. Listen now. My Aunty Roachy say that Jamaican people have a whole heap of culture and tradition and birthright that hand down to them from generation to generation. I like the great philosophy of Jamaican proverbs them. Well, sir, and she could have said the word philosophy, so one face the girl named Moochie's get out and say a source of foolishness Miss Roachy there so I chat about. Or you could have put a decent word like philosophy with the old jammer bad talking proverbs them. See ya, Aunty Roachy never make fun for Lego tongue pan Moochie's. She say, when goat laugh, everybody find out say him got no teeth. That mean some people should have keep silent to hide them ignorance. And Aunty Roachy open up her dictionary and the word philosophy and say to Moochies, no strain your jawbone pan the word philosophy when you don't know what it mean. Dictionary said that philosophy mean the general principles governing thoughts and conducts, a study of human morals and character. Is that philosophy mean moochies? And if you follow the philosophy with Jamaican proverbs, you would have know say that when you go a jackass yard, you know fi chat about him big ears. When you go a jackass yard, you know fi chat about him big ears. That mean don't offend people when you are in their domain. So you shouldn't come at me yard and call me fool. Well, sir, Moochie shut up her mouth. Pam! Aunty Roachy look on her and say, when head part stunted, keep your mouth. Keep your mouth, Moochies. Little bit of brains can give big mouth trouble, you know. If you don't know about it, not chat about it. If you don't know about it, not chat about it. Don't put yourself in a barrel when matches box can hold you. Nice. Don't put yourself in a barrel when matches box can hold your bumbo clot. That means don't pretend to be greater than you are. Far than pocket and pound and chest. Same meaning. No care how Borhag try to hide under sheep hole, him grunt always betray him. Crime will out. Crutch and rub can't cure Kokobe. Starving man say can't have giant. Take what you can get, so you get what you want. Faithful dog laugh after bad name. True. Too much callaloo can make pepper pot soup taste bitter. Before me tumble down my whole maca, yo. All time people used to always say this around me, you know, down a centi, you know. Before me tumble down my whole maca. That mean choose the lesser of two evils. Yes, moochies. Them days were old time Jamaican proverbs, and them got principles, governing thoughts and conducts and morals and character, like what the dictionary say. So don't cry them down. For what is for you, can't and for you. Aye. And that is the conclusion of chapter 3 of Aunty Roachy Seh by the Honorable DR.LOUISE Bennett Coverley. Make sure everybody you subscribe, like and share, comment, alright, lick off the bell so you know say when we upload the next film, because we are going to get into chapter 4 in the next film, alright. And as always, remember, knowledge is power and love is the key. Big up yourself, mums. Later.
Y'all look for the way you walk it. Yeah, you think on your time and you broke it.